You can't upload a PRPROJ file to YouTube. That is just the project file, not the video. You have to open Adobe Premiere and go to File, Export Media. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's render the MP4. Consider this essential for your toolkit. A single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken PRPROJ. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. A PRPROJ file is a project file created by Adobe Premiere Pro, a professional video editing software. It contains all the information about a video editing project, including the timeline, video, and audio clips, effects, transitions, and other editing decisions. The PRPROJ file itself does not contain the actual video or audio data. PRPROJ files are typically stored in a binary format, although they may contain XML-based metadata. The file structure is complex and proprietary to Adobe Premiere Pro. It references external media files, so moving or deleting these files can break the project. Most installations default to associating Adobe Premiere Pro CC from Adobe Systems Incorporated with PRPROJ. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows offers built-in playback for many videos, but complex editing requires specialized applications. To resolve the application failure, right-click your PRPROJ file and choose Open With. Check for Adobe Premiere Pro CC and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. If you still cannot open your PRPROJ file, that is okay. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your PRPROJ file. First, use Adobe Premiere Pro. Open the file in Adobe Premiere Pro to access the video editing timeline and project settings. Next, Relink Media. If media is missing, use the Link Media dialog to point the project to the correct folder containing your source clips. Finally, import into New Project. If the file won't open, create a new project and attempt to import the PRPROJ file as a sequence to recover the work. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.